Mastering English Idioms, Unpacking Muffed It. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of English idioms. Our focus is on a phrase that might have caused a few head scratches: muffed it. You've probably heard it in movies, read it in books, or even come across it in daily conversations. So, get ready to unlock its meaning and use it like a native. The phrase, muffed it, is a colloquial way of saying that someone has made a mistake or failed at something, often due to a lack of skill or concentration. It's commonly used in sports when a player fails to catch or handle the ball properly, but its usage has spread to everyday life to describe general blunders or mishaps. To understand this idiom, let's take a brief look at its origins. The word muff comes from an early 19th century term referring to a mistake made in sports, particularly in cricket. Over time, muff evolved to describe errors in other sports and then in wider situations. When someone says, muffed it, they are essentially saying that an action was bungled or botched. Let's see how to use muffed it in a few sentences. I really muffed it on the test today. I forgot everything I studied. The goalkeeper muffed it, and now the other team has scored. She had the chance to impress the boss but muffed it with her nervous presentation. Mistakes happen, but how can we avoid muffing it? Here are some quick tips. Prepare thoroughly for your tasks. Stay focused and concentrated on the activity at hand. Practice mindfulness to reduce anxiety and nervous errors. Learn from past mistakes to improve future performance. And that's a wrap on